Let's see how to build an affiliate marketing chatbot and promote your affiliate products through Instagram. So for example, here this is one Instagram profile over here promoting actually the affiliate products over here. So here they're actually posting the reels or post about that particular product, and also as you see here they actually ask the customers to comment a keyword over here. It says deals. So if you check their post, they are actually using the same keyword every time over here. So let's test this how this actually works, and after that let me show a live demo as well. So here let me open my phone screen over here as you see here, and let me open the same profile over here. So here I'm going to open one of the random post or reel over here and just comment here as deals over here and see what happens. So it says so they actually implemented the Instagram comment DM automation. So what happens is that when someone actually comments on their reels or post, they will automatically receive a DM and also comment as well. So this is the comment. Here you go, check your messages, thanks. So if I go to this particular profile and check messages, I'm in the inbox, and as you see here it says this particular Instagram account message you about a comment you made on their post, and here, hi there, here's the deal from my video and more, let me know if you need anything. And it's simply, they actually provide the link to all the leads. So otherwise you can actually make this a little bit better one just by simply providing only the link to that particular product as well. So let me click on this particular link and see what happens. So let me go back to the messages over here. So here I'm in the messages again. So let me click on this link to leads, and see what happens. So I think it might open some sort of web pages with all the links to buy the products over here. So it says daily deals, free Amazon Prime, join Facebook group, and they simply promote the links over here. And here they can simply click and buy on Amazon as well. So let me click on here and see what happens. And it says copy the coupon code over here. So they're actually using this hoppbio.website. So this, as you see here, hopp.bio, this is a website they're using to handle all these links over here. So let me click continue website and see what happens. Let's see if it actually takes us directly to the Amazon app as well. No, it actually opens the browser as you see here. So here if I want to, so here it simply opened the browser only, and if I want to buy something I have to log in to Amazon over here because it didn't open the Amazon app directly. So let's fix this one as well. So this is just a demo of how this actually works. So let me go back over here to Instagram, and as you see here, when we comment the keyword deals, we received this sort of message, and along with here you go, check your messages, thanks, that's it. And you got it, and they have some variations of comments as you see here. Okay, here you go, check DM, some sort of variations of these messages as well. So now let's see how to build this one. So here let me go to the demo account over here. So here I'm in the demo account, and Instagram is already connected over here. So you have to head over to tools over here if you are planning to build these sort of comment automations as we just checked, and we have to use this Instagram comment automation. So before that we have to actually create a flow of chatbot messages. So in this example we actually received just a single message, if you remember. So let me show that as well real quick before I actually start building the chatbot automations over here. So as you see here, we received a single message over here with the link to leads. So if you want, you can do the same thing. Otherwise you can actually send multiple messages over here. Let me show how to do that. Let's get started over here. So here I'm in the flow section. So let me name this as just Amazon. So just you can come up with any flow names you like over here, and here you can actually set whatever the messages you want to send to those customers. So here let's say let me say, would you like to get a special discount on this pet supplies? So if they say yes, so let's provide some sort of a product about the pet supply. So if they say yes, then we can actually send multiple messages for them. So if you're actually using these sort of comment automation, you have to actually have a text blocks with the buttons over there. You cannot have multiple text blocks over there, but here you can actually send different sort of messages for them. Awesome. And let me add a text block as well. Here is the link to purchase, and let me add a button over here. Let me name this as climb offer over here, and here the website address. So here you have to actually put your affiliate links over here. So do not put the direct affiliate links over here. Instead, you can actually shorten those affiliate links using a deep linking software. So that means even if you put a link over here, it simply opens the Amazon app automatically. So when we actually check this particular person's automation, it didn't happen. But if you use a deep linking URL website, something like Suchi, so this is just one example. So let me search for some sort of pet products over here. So let me simply choose this one as well. So here, this is the product link. So if you are planning to share your affiliate link, you have to generate your affiliate link for this particular product, and you can use this particular Suchi over here. And here when you use Twitchy, you can simply advanced option, you can choose this deep linking. So they actually support the Amazon deep linking along with other deep linking such as Facebook, eBay, and other platforms as well. So this is just an example. So let me put a name over here, so you can use whatever so if you have connected your own domain, then you can actually use this one. Otherwise, you can use their simple domain name over here as well. So here, so let me simply name here as well as Amazon 11, something like that, just a random name over here, because customers want to see this particular link. So it's actually creating the link. So let me grab that particular link over here and simply use that same link over here. So that's it. So we're actually sending this sort of message. And if you want to send images, you can also do that. So simply you can use copy image address over here, and here if we go back over here, and here you can simply add image over here, and you can move this apart over here and insert link, and here you can simply add that particular image link as well. So this is just a quick simple chatbot flow to promote this particular pet supplies over here. The other thing we have to do here is that simply connect this particular flow when a particular customer comments any kind of specific keywords such as deals on your reels or post. So here, head over to tools over here, click on these Instagram automations over here. So here you can actually create a new automation. So let me simply name this one as Amazon 1. So you can have whatever the names over here. It is just for your reference over here. So the next step is to just connect this particular chatbot flow over here. So here, so let's say this is just one product over here, but if you are planning to use this particular product, or if you are actually planning to promote this particular product through your multiple Instagram reels or post, what you can do is you can simply choose all post over here. So what happens is that you can actually, instead of choosing just specific one post, you can simply choose all post, and here the private reply to comment. So what sort of messages you want to send to a customer when they comment a specific kind of keyword. So here we have this particular flow created. The flow name is Amazon. That's it. So here you have to simply choose flow and choose the particular flow and the public reply. So if you remember, when we comment on that particular post of that particular person, we actually received a different sort of comment replies over here. For me, it says, here you go, check your messages. Let's check for others. It says you got it, and for another person it says, okay, here you go, check your DM, something like that. So these are the comment, different kind of public comment replies you can actually set. So here you can simply choose text, and here you can choose whatever the public comment replies you want to have. Check your DM, or let me add a DM sent, and let me add check your messages. So here you can have whatever the variations you want to have. And here, this is the important thing. So when someone only comments with specific kind of keywords, then only you want to trigger this sort of automation. So here, comments equal to, you can add whatever the keyword you want to use. So let's say if they say, let's say this is actually a pet supplies, so you can choose your keyword related to this particular product as well. So let's say it's actually pea pads. So let me simply copy this particular word over here and simply use that particular word over here. So when someone actually interested in buying this particular product, you can simply ask them to comment this particular keyword, and from this particular automation will be triggered. So here we have more options as well. So you can keep these things as it is. And if you want to actually delay this particular automation, you can do that. Otherwise you can simply choose immediately as well. And here if you can delay for a few hours or minutes, and even delay like randomly within this particular minutes as well. So let me choose immediately over here and click save. Automation has been saved. Make sure you activate this one, and I have to actually go to my Instagram profile, which is the test account over here, and test how this actually works. So here, this is the Instagram account connected over here. So let me share my phone screen, and here we are in the Instagram account. So you can actually choose whatever the post you want to over here and comment the keyword deals, and then it simply triggers the automation. Actually the keyword we set was not deals, so I can simply keep as it is. Actually the keyword we set was pads. So let me enter the correct keyword over here, or let me add another comment with the correct keyword. So it should actually trigger the automation because we are actually commenting with the exact keyword we set up. So what you do is you have to actually ask your customers to comment a particular kind of keyword over here, and you have to promote that particular keyword in your caption, in your reel or post, something like that. So as you see here, when I comment this particular keyword, it simply triggers the automation, and it says check your messages, which is one of the public comment reply we have already set up. The message it sent me, would you like to get a special discount on these pet supplies? If I say yes, it simply send this sort of messages including the image we actually set up over there. And here's the link to purchase. So if I tap on this button, it simply take me directly to the Amazon app. So let's see how this actually works. So previously, if you remember, it simply take us to the browser, but this time it should actually take us directly to the Amazon app. And as you see here, the Amazon app is already loading over here, and we should see the exact product of we actually promoted over here. So let's wait for a moment, and as you see here, we have this particular product. I can simply add to cart and purchase this one as well. So this is the beautiful thing about using these deep linking URL or softwares which actually support you to create these sort of deep links. For example, I used Switchy over here. Likewise, there are other tools actually allows you to create these sort of deep links as well. So you can use these kind of deep links not only for the Amazon, you can use it to send them to your Facebook page, or even to eBay, or to YouTube video links, something like that. So there is a lot of possibilities as well, and that's how actually you can actually create a chatbot to promote any sort of affiliate marketing products. And if you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.